What we're going to do is we're going to get a proper one, a decent one with a decent flex on it, and we'll get it in there. See these brackets here and all these leg supports? We'll get it up on some 4x2. You know where your 4x2 is, you screw them out so it balances it. Make sure that they're solid, and then we're going to jollop with silicone, put it down. But my waste pipe, as you can see there, off this rim, I want to be there. So I'm going to bring my waste pipe out there, or I'm going to bring it out this side. Maybe there. One of them sides, we'll see which side's better for underneath, and then it'll get left, we'll tile it, and then we'll get a proper trap for the bath, and it'll go down this bath wash. Don't forget to like, share and follow.